I'm Tim Adkins, and this is your daily headlines for Friday, September 10th, 2021. President Biden gave a speech yesterday outlining his plan to tackle COVID-19 and help bring an end to the ongoing pandemic. In what is considered his most drastic measures yet taken, the president has ordered new federal vaccine requirements affecting as many as 100 million Americans, including private sector employees, healthcare workers, and federal contractors. In his remarks, the president was critical of Americans who are still refusing to be vaccinated, saying in part, quote, "We've been patient, but our patience is wearing thin, and your refusal has cost all of us," unquote. The president's plan mandates vaccines for all federal employees, government contractors, and certain healthcare workers. It also requires employees at companies with 100 or more workers to be vaccinated or tested weekly. In addition, the president's plan provides support for a booster shot campaign and recommends that large venues require proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test for attendance. The plan also makes recommendations on keeping schools open. Critics of the president say the plan goes too far in forcing private companies to comply with public health requirements and indicate the president's mandates will be challenged in court. Meanwhile, the state of Mississippi is investigating the recent deaths of 8 pregnant women who died from COVID-19 within a time span of just 4 weeks. State health officials have issued a warning urging expectant mothers to get vaccinated after a significant number of COVID-19 fatalities in pregnant women has occurred. Doctors are reporting a doubling in the number of prenatal deaths occurring due to COVID-19 complications. Pregnancies beyond 20 weeks can become stillborn due to COVID-19 infection. The American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists recommends that all eligible people, including pregnant and breastfeeding women, get the COVID-19 vaccine. According to the Centers for Disease Control, pregnant women are at a higher risk for severe illness if they contract COVID-19, including intensive care unit admission and even death, compared to non-pregnant women. The Florida Appeals Court has just issued a ruling today that places Governor DeSantis' ban on mask mandates back in effect. The ban had previously been halted due to a Second Circuit Court ruling against DeSantis. The court ruled Governor DeSantis had overreached his authority when he issued an executive order in July giving parents a choice on whether their children should wear masks while attending public schools. Following today's ruling, Charles Gallagher, the lead attorney for the group of parents suing the state, issued a statement saying that the group plans to seek pass-through jurisdiction of the Florida Supreme Court. Meanwhile, Florida's governor did suffer a defeat in court on Thursday as his controversial anti-riot bill was deemed unconstitutional by a federal judge in Tallahassee. The ruling states that the law was a violation of the U.S. Constitution's 14th Amendment for due process and First Amendment rights of free speech and assembly. The law had sought to limit public protest by allowing people engaged in peaceful demonstrations or just innocently in the same area to be arrested and charged if the protest turned violent, regardless if any of those charges actually engaged in any criminal activity. As always, we'll keep you posted as these stories develop and more. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm Tim Adkins, and this has been your Daily Headline News.